an awesome God we serve. Look at this verse. It says, the heavens declare the glory of the Lord. So when I look up to heaven, I must hear a declaration. The heavens are speaking to me. When I see the sun, I see the Son of Man. When I see the stars, I see the saints. When I see the color blue, I see the color of the anointed. When I see the cloud, I see the presence of the Lord. So the heavens declare the glory of the Lord. It's a declaration. Every time you walk, that is why Proverbs says, a fool says in his heart, there is no God. Simply because they are not listening to the heavenly declaration. Verse 2. Day after day uttered speech. How they are speaking. From day 1 to day 2, day 3 to day 4, day 5, 6 and 7. They are speaking a language. Somebody is just not listening. And night after night sheweth knowledge. So there is a speech that the heavens are declaring. And there is a knowledge that is released in the night through the creation of all things. The heavens declare the glory of the Lord, and the firmament his handiwork. Day after day utter speech, night after night showeth knowledge. Verse 3. There is no speech, no language where their voices is not heard. You can't be that deaf. Every day when you look at the mountain, it's releasing the kingdom language. Every time you look at anything in nature, it's communicating to you the gospel. Now let me explain in a way in which you would easily remember and understand. When I go to the animal kingdom, a serpent is a serpent. A serpent in creation. In creation, the serpent is the serpent. But in redemption, the serpent is the devil. When I go to the animal kingdom, and you talk to me about a lion. A lion is a lion in the animal kingdom, but in the story of redemption, I have the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords. In other words, creation is telling me about redemption. Yeah. If I take things concerning your body or anything that I can use on this earth, let me use your body. When I look at your head, what do I see? Headship and leadership. Your nose tells me about discernment. Your hands tell me about the ministry of laying on of hands. Your knees are telling me about prayer. The gospel according to your body. The hair of a woman is the glory of the Lord. Your feet, blessed are the feet of those who preach the gospel of peace. Your hand, the fingers in your hand, apostles, prophets, evangelists, pastors, and teachers. Don't be carnal on this one. Don't be carnal on this one. To the pure, all things are pure. Solomon says we have a little sister. She has no breasts. What shall we say for our sister in the day when she's spoken of? It's a mystery. Everything in the Bible. Your mouth tells me about confession, declaration, and the prophetic. Your ears tell me about hearing from God. Your eyes tells me about insight, foresight, and insight. Everything about you. Your beard tells me about maturity. Please understand. Now I'm doing the gospel according to your body. And nose ring, please don't put one, please. That was given to Rebecca, a nose ring. Nose ring. Gold, divinity. Nose, discernment. So, divine discernment. There are no meaningless details in the Bible. Hallelujah.
Awesome.
Our God is awesome.
Awesome.
He is.
Awesome.
Kumkhalaza Bible is so simple.
Awesome.
Our God is awesome.
Awesome.
Okay, let's come back to the word. Let's come back to the word. So, if I go to the animal kingdom, you show me an eagle, I show you a prophet. You show me a deer, I show you an apostle. You show me a serpent, I show you the devil. But the serpent is a serpent. Symbolic. Don't make the devil out of every animal. Even domestic animals are not demons like a cat. It's a domestic animal. A cat on top of your roof is not time for deliverance. It's time for friendship. Because you are already seated in heavenly places, far above principalities and powers. Rulers of darkness, you are seated above. So when you fight the devil, stop looking up. Start looking down because you are seated in heavenly places. The devil is crushed under your what? So every time you walk, you are trembling over snakes and scorpions symbolically, and over all the power of the enemy. Awesome. Let's say one more time.